Alright, so let's talk about the k, largest element in the array. So you're given an integer array nums and an integer k, so you have to return the k largest element inside the array. And this question is really simple. So again, let me draw it. So if this is the array and then the k equal to 2, which is the second largest element inside the array, right? So what do you mean for the largest one? So k largest element. So you can have a PQ, so priority queue. So this is going to be what, from smallest to greatest, right? And then whenever you traverse a for loop, whenever you traverse the in array, right? You add to the PQ, and then you check the PQ size. You check the size. If the size is greater than the k, which mean what? Which mean there is an element that shouldn't stay inside the PQ, right? So you will just PQ.pull. Right? So whenever you pull the minimum value inside the PQ. And this is not the k element. This is definitely not a k element integer inside the array, right? And then basically this is pretty much it. You pull when you have greater size inside the PQ, and then you pick at the end for the return value. So which means this one is going to be the k element inside the PQ, right? Alright, so this should be simple. So priority queue, and I have integer, right? PQ to the new priority queue, and then I'm going to traverse the nums, right? Nums array, and then I'm just a PQ.add the num, and then if PQ.size is which is greater than k, so someone has to be removed, and then at the end I would just say PQ.peak, right? So this is going to be the element that you need to return. Alright, so submit. Alright, so let's talk about the time and space. This is going to be a space, and what do you think? This is a priority queue, right? Priority queue is all of k, size of k, right? If you greater than size of k, this is going to be what? Only have k allocation memory inside the priority queue, and this is going to be a time for the for loop, and definitely this is going to be all of n. But the problem is when you add to the PQ, this is going to be what? Log n, right? So sorry, log k, because only have k element inside the priority queue. So it's going to be all of n times log k for the time. So this is my quick note for the time and space, and this is the solution. So if you feel helpful, subscribe, like, and I'll see you next time. Bye.